What's up, guys? This is Aaron with Twins Garage. It's been a little bit since I made a video. It might not feel like it for you because I uploaded my last one a little late because of the holiday. I just got home from Virginia. I was there, and I haven't done anything with cars the last couple days. I've been working in my basement getting that ready. I kind of got something to show you. It's a little, just started working on it. Gonna head downstairs right quick. Still got a lot of work to do down here. This is gonna be my man cave, living room, right get here. My server room will be there with my servers and racks. My office will be right in here. So here, sorry it's a mess. I stuffed everything in here while I was working. This here, I've been using with the leftover wood, building with all my scrap wood, building a little shelf. I'm gonna put another floor here and one right up here. We'll just scrap wood, and then I'm gonna actually buy wood and build a shelf that starts like here and it goes around and then around to there. But eventually I'll have all my Subaru stuff and parts from the garage moved down into here, plus new stuff will get added. I have a bunch still up in the garage. I have a bunch at Andrew's. Got a parts car on this way. Supposed to be here last night, and I haven't heard back from him. But I have a 2002 WRX. It's yellow. It's supposed to be here last night. They haven't returned my calls, and I mean, this day is almost over, and I haven't heard from them, so I'm hoping they'll get the car here tonight so I can start stripping it. I'm gonna take that over to Andrew's. I'm gonna probably strip all the interior and put it down here, and then take the rest over to Andrew's to do the rest of the work. The front end's really bad fire damage, so the engine's probably not going to be able to be saved, but there's a lot of good parts on there still. Okay, we're coming into the garage now. I haven't done anything within the last week. I've been gone, but Josh has the key to my house, so he's been here working on the Evo. He's got his downpipe wrapped in, not sure what he's doing to it. Looks like he was painting it, but he wrapped it and whatnot. So, and then Josh bought a new big box for all of his tools while he's here. And I haven't done anything with the Subaru, but I have Subaru parts up behind that bumper. I have all this stuff and then a bunch of stuff up there. Most will be put down in the basement, be here before long. I have a really busy packed weekend full of car stuff this weekend. I want to get this harness out. I gotta get this up on jack stands, get the whole front end off so I can get the harness out and get that new WRX harness in there. So I gotta get that engine pulled, and so I can get this cradle pulled and then get the new WRX cradle and throw that on there. And then my new engine should be here next week sometime. So fingers crossed it comes on time because my WRX parts car has not come on time. But I want this done by the end of winter. I have a lot of work left. I still got to buy the entire exhaust from the headers back, up pipe, down pipe, all that. I got to get it tuned. I got a lot left to do, so I want it done by spring, but we'll see. Anyways, hopefully you hear back from me here any second. I'm going to give them a call again, find out where my car's at, because I want to show you guys it, and then I'm going to go over to Andrew's. I still got to film the Mercedes Benz that we got. You haven't got to see much of that, so I'll be back in a second. We're on our way to pick up the Subaru, but I gotta make a McDonald's stop first. Andrew's car's dead. Here's the Subaru. Whole front end is just toast. We'll get some better video hopefully tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna unload this. Let's see. We can fuck shit up.
We're about to fuck shit up.
Pride level in the front. Dude, we halfway there.
Oh god.
What?
This fucking ramp. I might be able to get it out though.
Oh, fuck.
I can probably jack it up.
Yeah.
But first throw. I don't want this thing to roll backwards. Where'd that go?
Got the Subaru in here. Took a lot of work. It's real late. I gotta work in the morning, so I gotta head out. Started gutting out the interior. I'm gonna get out of your picture. But Tires look pretty cool. I don't know what they are yet. Nothing in the engine bay looks salvageable. Transmission maybe the block and the heads. Once we start gutting everything, we'll see. Battery definitely salvageable. But looks like I had some money into this. Nice blow-off valve. Turbo down there looks stock, but we'll start getting into this more tomorrow. Start getting things ripped out. For now, I'm gonna head home, go to bed. What's up, guys? Sorry about the bad position here. That's the only option I had. Anyways, I'm on my way to Andrews. We're gonna start ripping apart the Subaru, the yellow one, and then I'm gonna probably head home and start working on the harness for my Subaru, which I want to get that finished by the end of this weekend. I want to get the harness out. I've said that before, but I always get caught up doing something else. But tomorrow, I'm going to try to dedicate as much of my day as possible working on removing that harness. I'll definitely film some of the process. Hopefully, I'll get it finished so I can show you guys what it looks like before this video goes up. But anyways, Andrew and I are probably going to be making videos on our new channel. That's with me and him. This channel here is with me and Alex, even though he doesn't really make too many videos anymore, but he will hopefully start making them soon. We're gonna go look at a Subaru for Alex tomorrow morning at WRX 02. That was pretty clean. The guy was all down for it, and then not even 10 minutes later, he messages me. He's like, "Oh, sorry, I sold it," which sounds like a bunch of crap, but no big deal. We'll find Alex something here soon. Well, he's still gonna work on the RX-7, but he wants something he can drive and have fun with in the summer here. But anyways, I'll see you in a few seconds. And there's the Mercedes. I'll get over closer to that here in a minute. Let you guys see some more of that. Definitely needs work. It's not perfect. Got some big plans for it.
You got that too?
Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? We're here with the Subaru, the yellow one. I found out some more information about it today, creeping on the previous owner's profile. It's got an upgraded turbo. It had a external blow-off valve. No, I'm sorry. HKS blow-off valve. And it had an external wastegate, but of course all that's gone. The turbo doesn't look too bad, but it's not salvageable. But it's got E85 tune, so it means upgraded fuel pump, tuned ECU, all the goods. What's up, guys? It's really late, Saturday night. I plan to do a ton tonight, and of course, like every freaking weekend, something comes up. I got really busy today. Started working on the car, and an old friend I hadn't seen in a few years stopped over, and next thing I know, it's midnight. So I got a little bit done to it, but I wanted to get this dang harness out, so I still have tomorrow. So by the time I upload this video, I want this harness to be out, but I'll show you what I got done. Got the passenger side skirt off. Rockers look clean. I was a little worried. Super clean. Put a little bit of surface rust on this corner. I started getting removed, but I'll get that off and get this all coated, looking nice, painted up. But as you can see, I got the fenders, all that off. And I got this side off too. That's the skirt I started getting off, but the jack stand is sitting on the back corner, so I can't get it all the way off. But I'll jack up the back end tomorrow and get the rest of the way off. Got fenders, parts everything everywhere. That's pretty much all I gotta do. Unbolt the engine, disconnect a couple of these hoses, disconnect from trans, and it can come right out. I gotta get this drained, but for the harness wise, so I got this disconnected. I just gotta remove it from the starter, and I can shove that right through the firewall. So then the whole engine bay there's no harness. The tricky part, I believe I have to remove this, but there's a harness that goes inside, comes out, runs along here to this box, So we got disconnect from there. I'm not quite sure how I go about doing it from this point. If I take this apart and disconnects in there, or how. Like I've said before, there's no tutorials online that I could find. If you guys know where any are, please send me a link to one. So take that out, and then it follows along up, and goes back in the engine bay, and I know where that plug is. So I can get that out unplugged. I can pull it through here, and then pretty much the harness is out. The driver's side has a little bit left to do, a little bit of disconnecting, but for the most part, it's out. So not much more left to do. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm gonna end this video. It's a Sunday night, and I'm gonna spend tomorrow editing and start filming for the next week. So I'm gonna show you some quick updates on the Subaru, and I'll tell you some quick updates as well, and then I'll close out the video. First, I just want to say I just got a 05 STI rear bumper for the Subaru here. It's because I got those fender flares on the back, and for the STI fender flares, and they'll kind of go down into the bumper, and it'll match and look good. So I'm still gonna have the bug eye taillights for now. I'll eventually get the 05 STI taillights, I hope. So I just didn't want to drop that much money right now into it. I got the bumper for $100, and it was like perfect condition and looks good. And then I got my side skirts off and the rockers clean. I was a little nervous about that, but and the Subaru that's at the airplane hangar that we've been parting out, we've got so much of that stripped out. I'll film some more of that for the next video and show you guys. We also started a new YouTube channel, me and Andrew did, filming mainly just the cars that we're going to part out will be on that channel. So the link will be up in the corner of this video or in the description below. We may have just sold the seats in there actually too. But anyways, let's go check out the Subaru, and I'll show you what I've gotten done so far. As you can tell, there's no wiring harness left in the engine bay at all. I mean, other than the engine harness bay that goes out with the engine, but it's out. It's completely disconnected from the car. It's just laying in there right now. I'm gonna pull it out. I just had it tangled up here, and I didn't want to yank on it. So I'm done for the night. And I had to disconnect from the doors, so the rear doors are disconnected from the harness. So next up, I got the radiator out. So next step is to get the engine pulled. So this week I'll be disconnecting these hoses, and I'm gonna yank her out and start working on putting the new harness in. I have a little bit of time to decide if I want to do the front end swap. I really want to, but money wise, I don't know if I'm going to be able to. $1,500 to get the front end STI shipped here. I would like to do it now since the harness is already out, but we'll see. I'm gonna think on it for a few days. On the new rear bumper I was talking about, I was at my brother's. I had him go pick it up for me because the guy lived down the road from him. And quick little update with the Evo. We haven't been making too many videos. Josh works out of town, so he's been real busy, but he shouldn't be working out of town too much longer, so hopefully we can start making more videos. He's got a lot of work done on his downpipe. Hopefully when he comes back again, we can shoot a quick video and have him explain what he's done, what he has left to do, and what his future plans are. As for this, you'll have to see next week's video because I'll be getting that harness out completely, getting the engine out, and start working on putting the new harness in. What sucks with next week's video, I have drill for the National Guard Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I'll be gone and we'll have like no time. So the video will probably be pretty short, but hopefully I can at least get some time to get something put together for you guys. So anyways, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and check out our Instagram pages and our other YouTube channels. All the links are always in the description below. Please share these videos. I would like to get some more views. So hopefully I can talk Alex into making a new video here soon. He hasn't made one in forever. Anyways, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'm excited about getting this swap finished. It's a little scary. Pulling that harness is a very scary project. I couldn't find like any information online about RS WRX swap, let alone a JDM Forester XT engine. So it's been a process. So if anybody has any questions about this swap, please shoot me a message. Feel free to ask me. I'll tell you everything that I've learned along the way and all that fun stuff. So please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.